The holiday season is coming up. We've dropped all sorts of fun gifts, perfect for the holiday season. Check out our new Maniology polishes. These are reflective glitter polishes and they just came out for the holiday season. So let's start off with Shine P15. So if you're looking for something extra sparkly, this is the set. Such a pretty green. The next color we're gonna do is Sparkle P157. This is a gorgeous fuchsia with like a little bit of purple and silver. These are sheer jelly colors, just to let you know. That's why I'm using a clear tip today. You can use them as toppers or you can use them for a negative space manicure. It's completely up to you. Let me show you the next color. P158 Dazzle. So this is a really pretty gold. And when you look at the glitter, there's two colors of glitter that I see when I'm looking at these polishes. There's like a silver glitter that's reflective, and then there is a colored glitter. I love how it kind of twinkles. So that is the 3 new regular polishes that we just launched on the site. I highly recommend you check them out. They are so pretty and you can do so many fun things with these. Yes, look at it. Isn't it pretty? So the next item that we're going to be talking about is nail stickers. We just dropped a bunch of holiday themed nail stickers and they are so cute. A lot of them, like this one, is glow in the dark. So you can charge it under any light and then just stick it on and create some really cute manicures. Now, have you seen this plate? It is M428. We have layered little penguins and they're so adorable. Look at them. And then we're gonna go ahead and maybe add some falling snow. So that's our little penguin buddy. Isn't it cute? Okay, on to the next. I'm sure you guys are gonna be jazzed about this. So this is our new Tinseltime stamping starter kit. If you know someone who is interested in nail art, maybe they're new to nail art but like to do their nails during the holiday season, I highly recommend this as a perfect gift because it has everything you need inside to start stamping. So this is a special kit that we're going to be having just for Christmas. It has a lot of very quintessential holiday themes on here, perfect for winter. So cute, the little Santa. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Adorable. So let everyone know what you want from Santa this year from Maniology.